Configure control panels for commercial vehicles and mobile machinery in 4 simple steps and discover the variety of design options offered by our Pilot Control Panel series. At miyunske.com/n/pilot-configurator, you will find the application which requires neither a software installation nor a download. To begin, select the right pilot type for your application, depending on how many control fields you need and whether a display is also required. In the following, we will show you the configuration options using the Pilot 9.7D model. We start the configuration process by entering a project title. You can select the horizontal or vertical positioning of the control panel via the mounting drop-down menu. Different display types are available depending on requirements. For particularly high contrast requirements, there are monochrome OLED variants with a resolution of 120 pixel by 80 pixel, in white, yellow, green or blue. If you need a higher resolution and graphics capability, then choose the TFT display with a resolution of 320 by 280 pixel. Each control or display field can be configured with an icon from our extensive icon library, with or without a frame and any color from RGB color spectrum. Please note that the symbol colors are only for preview purposes, because the RGB LEDs of the control panels are parameterized directly on the control panel later by software. Different colors for different signal or switching states can also be selected in the parameterization software. If the desired symbol is not yet included in our symbol library, you can upload a graphic you have created yourself in SVG format for your current configuration. We will be happy to add your specific symbol to our symbol library so that it will be available in the selection for other projects in the future. A frame embossed into the foil to improve the haptics and findability of the control fields can also be configured as desired. Bar graphs are predominantly used to indicate the fill levels or performances with a maximum of 4 stages. Each individual unicolor LED can be selected in the colors white, yellow, orange, red, green or blue. The colors of the LEDs are binding, as these will later be equipped in the hardware according to your selection. The display form can be selected by choosing the symbols and can, for example, display a descending or ascending status. Like the control fields, the status LEDs on the side of the control panels can be parameterized with any color from RGB color spectrum. They can be used to display states, such as monitoring the driver's seat belt. Here too, symbols can be selected, or the function can be labeled with an additional print on the foil. You have the option to select a single color foil per roll color or upload a graphic as a foil design. The color or graphic is printed on the transparent fill material from the rear to protect the design against abrasion on the front. In addition, you can upload further information in graphic format under Printing, to match the color of the foil design and your application. You can choose the aluminum front panel of the device in 7 anodized colors. Our standard colors are natural, black, yellow, orange, red, blue and green. For a perfect fit of the pilot control panel in different material thicknesses, select a short retaining clip for 3 to 7 mm or a long retaining clip for 5 to 8 mm material thickness. The rear housing can be screwed IP65 or bonded IP67 as required. You can also choose the length of the connection cable and plug to suit your individual project requirements. Now the configuration is complete and you can send it to us by mouse click as a basis for a price calculation. Simply enter your contact details at the end of any queries we may have. To provide a realistic offer, it is essential to specify the desired purchase quantity. You are welcome to send us this and other additional information in the field notes. You will receive a copy of the inquiry with the link to your configuration. If you would like to modify the configuration, click on the Edit Configuration button. With the next change, the version number will be updated and saved. After resubmitting, you will receive a confirmation email for the changed version. Use the configurator as a planning tool, perhaps even together with your customer as end user. We look forward to your pilot implementation variants.